Hey guys, this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist, and right now I'm here with my cameraman Leslie, and we're about to go to one of our mastermind students' property who has already closed on it, and now he's going to process of rehabbing. As a matter of fact, his contractor is on the way, and we're looking at rehabbing this project. It's going to take about 4 to 6 weeks, and this will be I would like to say a half pregnant rehab, where we got a lot of stuff that we're doing. The actual rehab cost is going to be around $30,000 with a $10,000 overage budget. But I want to go inside and show you exactly what he's going to be doing with this property, sort of like give you a before bird's eye view of it. We're going to walk inside and take it from there. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, Charles. Good?
Good. Hey guys, this is Felipe.
Hey.
You've met him on previous videos. This is a project that him and his partner have already closed on, and now we're going to walk through, and he's going to tell us about what's going to happen inside and all that good stuff.
Yeah, let's do it.
So
here in the living room, dining room, kitchen, we're gonna open up this entire space.
So we know already we're going to open this wall up.
Yep.
And then we're going to open that wall up as well.
Yep.
Make this a nice open space. Now, you already got your color scheme lined up already.
Yep.
And what we're going to be doing with the flooring?
The flooring, I really think it leave as is because it's kind of new vinyl flooring. But after we open up, we're gonna see how it gonna looks like, because we're gonna remove the walls and we're gonna go from there.
Okay, vinyl flooring for the floor.
Vinyl flooring.
Open up this wall.
Open up this wall.
This is going to be, of course, it's already lined up for gas furnace. So you're putting in a new furnace?
Yeah, new furnace.
Central air?
Central air.
Okay, excellent. And once this wall is opened up, what are we looking like in the kitchen?
Yeah, we're gonna do a new kitchen with an island right here. Around that area when you have this wall right now.
Right.
Nice island.
New kitchen cabinets?
New kitchen cabinets, stone countertops.
Gotcha. Granite and stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless steel appliances.
So all this is going to be out, stainless steel, light fixtures, nice paint job.
Yep.
Excellent. Let's go to the backyard and then we'll go through the rest of the house.
All right.
Now, I noticed we're going to have quite a bit of concrete work here. So you may be doing some concrete work on this backyard?
Yeah.
And
clean it up, do some concrete work, make it nicer.
Are you going to go with a driving pad or just a basic backyard, nice flat surface?
To be honest, I don't know yet. We need to, get the beats and see which one is the most cost effective.
Okay.
And if you notice, no one has a parking pad here, so.
Right, and that's what I always say with you guys. You don't have to do too much on the project. Look at what's being done in the neighborhood, look at what your comps are at, and do what they've done. If you're trying to get the exact amount of money that they're actually getting on the actual project. So, nice clean backyard. It's a lot of space. So we definitely got enough area here for someone to drive through if you wanted to make the parking pad there.
Sure.
What are you looking at in regards to the time frame to complete this project?
Yeah, the contractor said 30 to 45 days we should be done with this house.
Okay, that means we're going to be going a little bit into, not a little bit, we'll be going into the wintertime.
Yeah, so I really think to hold up a little bit more and list, let's say late January or something like that, so we can kind of turn into spring.
Gotcha.
And there's 2 other houses that are being rehabbed right now, and we can kind of see what's the asking price for the houses and conditions and see what it can do as far as the price point.
Gotcha. Now, just out of curiosity, what was the purchase price of this property?
64.
So you got it for 64, and we got an after rehab value of how much?
165 plus.
165, maybe 175. You're going to do about what, 30 to 40K worth of work?
Yeah, that's the goal.
Okay, 30 to 40K worth of work. You're in at 105. on a 165 to 175.
costs.
With closing costs, you're looking at about a 50 to 45,000 profit.
Yeah, that's correct.
Basement is going to happen. What's going down there?
The basement, gonna finish the basement, doing an open space, new drywall, tuck the furnace to the corner, do a laundry area.
Okay. You got pretty good headroom down here. You're going to do something with this bulkhead with regarding the actual
Yeah, maybe doing
ductwork?
maybe a quarter inch here, just with the bulkhead. I'm not sure
Got it.
how to call. And this wall right here, we're gonna remove that wall and tuck the furnace
To the
right
back.
here.
Got
So
it.
we're gonna, maybe open up that space as well.
And you're going to frame around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Frame around. Maybe I'm gonna leave this as is and frame from here. Do like a small closet for the gas and frame around. Yeah.
So our idea is to give the person an option for this to be a bedroom if they choose to.
Yeah.
Got it.
All the
got it.
homes they selling 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. We're gonna add a bathroom right here as well in the basement, full bathroom.
So remember guys, we're talking about doing exactly what the property others that have sold in the area. You want to do at least what they've done. If the other properties have 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, you want 4 bedrooms and 2 baths.
Yeah.
If the other properties has a concrete backyard, you want a concrete backyard. If the other properties have granite, you want granite. So you want to make sure that you're doing exactly what the other properties in that area is calling for you to do.
Perfect.
Now we got 3 bedrooms up here.
3 bedrooms. Yeah. 1 bath.
Okay, now this is a little small as a bedroom.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call this a bedroom, but it can also be an office.
Yes, that's correct. And actually, all the other homes they have the same layout and just frame it a small tiny closet right here and call it a bedroom. So
Right,
that's
so-
what we're gonna do.
Exactly. So we're looking at a 165 price tag on this, 175 price tag. What's your days on the market in this area?
Oh, it's less than 1 week.
I like that. I
Yeah.
like that. Let's go bedroom number 2. Here we go. Bedroom number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, in this one, I can see that we got a closet here.
Correct.
And if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna bump the closet out
Yeah.
about 3 feet, 2.5 feet, 3
Yeah.
feet.
Closing up the wall here to make the bathroom bigger and bump out the closet right here.
Excellent, 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 excellent.
That's exactly what they doing.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Let's take a look at what's happening in here.
All right.
Okay, okay. I notice we got a lot of dead space here. So this right here is where that closet currently is.
Yeah.
So we'll remove that dead space, and I take it, this is gonna come out, bathroom wall is gonna be here with the tub and so on.
Correct. We're gonna put the tub right there. And where the tub sits, we're gonna put the vanity and toilet.
Right, so this area here will have the tub, and the area where the tub is currently now will have the vanity and toilet.
Yeah, correct.
Perfect use of space. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Final bedroom. The master bedroom. And in here, really nothing.
Yes.
You're going to keep the existing closet as is. You're
Yeah.
not adding any extra space.
Just paint, finish it up. That's it. All the windows are brand new.
You're doing vinyl laminate
Vinyl.
throughout.
Yeah, actually, if you look at here, we have the same vinyl that I have downstairs. It's like new.
Okay.
So we just think to remove the carpet and use the vinyl that I have.
That's going to be a little bit of a challenge because you got the actual tacks that's in it from the carpet. So just keep that in mind.
Yeah. Or even there's an option to put new carpet, like a gray carpet
Right.
or something to make it nicer.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
Of course, we're going to paint up here with the rails. Keep
Yep.
the existing rails in strong, great condition. And man, area Edmondson Village, I like it. A lot of strong opportunities in this area. Now, how do you find this deal?
This was a list that I pulled from PropStream, you know, skip trace, cold call, and this is fun fact. The person on my vehicle said, no, I don't have a house for sale, but I know someone that has a house for sale,
Right.
and gave a number from a guy, and that's how we got this one.
Okay, so the lesson there is make the calls, ask the questions,
Yeah.
and go further, go beyond.
Yeah. When the person says, no, I don't have anything for sale. By the way, do you have any other property for sale, or do you know someone that has a property someone that might be interested in selling a property?
Right.
And he said, yes, I have someone, and gave us a number, and here we are.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So Evanston Village, I love this area. Like I mentioned, we got a 165R. We're looking at 165, 175, selling it for easily 7 days on the market, 10 days on the market top.
Yep.
Man, he's looking at a $45,000 or $50,000 payday. Any other projects that you guys are currently working on right now, having the contract we're working to do?
Yeah, we just closed it. Option to buy that I put up for $1 under contract. So, you know, was a smooth closing. And I have a land under contract that I bought in a tax lien auction.
When is the land supposed to sell?
89 grand.
What day? I mean, how long we got for that?
How-
What month? When is it gonna close?
Oh, they're gonna close on December.
Okay, that's in
Yeah.
December,
December.
which is next month. A lot of opportunities, a lot of deals, guys out there. Don't let anybody tell you that because of the pandemic, there's no deals, there's no opportunities, that everything is dried up because of a slowdown, a perceived slowdown, that opportunities are no longer there. They're lying, they don't know what they're doing. So this is Charles Blair, the Mad Scientist with Mastermind Extraordinaire,
Felipe,
and we will see you guys in the next video.
see ya.
Bye-bye.